Attending a trade show is a key time of year to connect across the whole industry. And with so many new connections, business opportunities and learnings, planning in advance is essential to making the most out of your day. Now opens the whole show experience directly on your phone. With no apps to download, access Now directly from your browser. Explore the directory, browse the exhibitor profiles and quickly find the businesses you're most interested to meet. And with the interactive Now floor plan, find the exhibitors you want to meet and plan your way around the show. Less time searching and more time making valuable connections. When you arrive at a stand, scan the exhibitor's QR code using Collect. Their brochures and contact details are saved automatically within your Now timeline. Discover conference sessions taking place throughout the event, and for the times you're on a tight schedule or don't have time to stop, collect exhibitor information as you pass by with Collect. The conference sessions you may wish to take away with you are also available to scan using the Collect QR code. During freer moments, take a look through all of the offers at the show. Here, an exhibitor is providing a free suitability assessment, something that may strike a chord with the audience. Another company is giving away free gifts at their stand, enticing us to find out more. Take the opportunity to send a few emails to the new brands you met, or perhaps even attend the networking events in the evening. Whatever you choose to do, be satisfied in the knowledge that all of your documents, contacts and offers are saved securely in Now, your at-show companion.